Hi and welcome, I am here today with GIGASET GS190 and I'll be showing you how to get an iPhone keyboard on this phone. So first let's go to the Google Play Store and look for iPhone keyboard. Yep. New OS 11 keyboard theme, install. Come on. Okay, now open. Agree. We have to install another application. It's called Emoji Keyboard. Install. Now, after the installation, we don't open this application. We have to go back to the previous one. Great, let's go back. Now wait for it to load. OS 11. Wait for it to load fully. Tap on apply. Enable emoji keyboard. Come on. Emoji keyboard. Okay. Select emoji keyboard. Emoji keyboard. Tap on that X in the top right corner. It's hardly visible, but it's there. Okay, and now as you can see, we have an iPhone keyboard on our phone. So yeah, that's great. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.